Polish National Railway program has been updated with a perspective until 2030, from its previous version which was in force until 2023, and is a continuation of the rail projects to create a safe, fast, and modern infrastructure across the country. Euro 38 billion is the total value of the new strategy, which includes Euro 17.6 billion. Euro 17.8 billion will be invested in the 2021 to 2027 perspective, and Euro 2.4 billion will be used under the scope of the National Reconstruction Plan. The adoption of a new program means a new boost for railway investments in Poland. Rail transport in Poland will continue to develop dynamically. As part of the Polish National Railway program until 2030, it is planned to maintain high and stable outlays for railway investments. Within the next 7 years, Poland plans to electrify almost 1,400 kilometers of railway lines, which will allow the deployment of electric trains providing modern, comfortable, and fast services. The priorities of the 2021 to 2027 perspective include the completion of major investment projects, such as works on the Cross-City Line in Warsaw, construction of a tunnel in Lodz, and modernization of the Gdynia-Słupsk route. The ongoing implementation of the modernization of key lines on the 10T core network such as the Katowice, Zebazydowis, and Białystok, Elk, Trakiski, which is the connection with Rail Baltica. In addition, the new strategy also includes the construction of new lines in the towns which do not have connections such as Podol's Timburg Railway Line, the modernization of the Skierniewice, Lukau or Bydgoszcz, Koszalina, Gdynia lines. The aim of the 2030 rail program is to create faster and reliable connections. For the first time in history, the Polish railway network will allow passenger trains to run at maximum speed of 250 km per hour. The projects to be carried out under the new strategy will also allow passenger trains to run at speeds between 120 and 200 km per hour, significantly cutting the travel times. The focus is on the rail connection from central Warsaw Station to Elk to Kołobrzeg in northwestern Poland at the Baltic Sea, and on the route linking Radom, Kielce and Krakow Central Station, as well as on the Krakow, Nowy Sącz and Białystok, Gdansk Central Station routes. The Polish National Railway program secures financing for important, strategic railway projects. That Polish railway routes will become even more modern, and passengers will receive an even more interesting and competitive transport offer. The new rail program also includes projects to improve the railway junctions in southern Poland. The projects include the construction of Jedlice-Szebny connection. This project is essential to create a direct connection on the route from Rzeszów to the south, towards Krosno, and the Bieszczady region without changing trains at Jasło station. Currently, there is no operator that provides services on this route, which is unprofitable, and passengers need more than 2 hours to travel between these cities. Following the implementation of the project, rail carriers will be able to launch services providing a direct connection on Rzeszów-Krosno-Nowy Zagorz route. In this way, rail will become an even more frequently chosen means of transport, with works expected to begin in 2025 and completed in 2027. As part of the same project, not only a slip road will be built, but also the Gorlice and Gorlice-Zagorzany stations will be modernized, while the existing Line 110 running to the city center will be revitalized. And PKP PLK expects permits and decisions to be issued in 2026. The construction works are planned for 2027-2029. PKP Polskie Linie Kolejowe is carrying out works at Warsaw Zachodnia, which will be completed in 2024 when tender procedures will be launched for the modernization of Warsaw Wschodnia station and some selected sections of the Cross-City Line. From mid-2025 to mid-2027, works will be carried out in the long-distance tunnel, and from mid-2027 to mid-2029 in the suburban tunnel. The new Podol's Pikielko is a missing link on the 10T, and when completed, will also allow fast intermodal and combined freight transport services in a north-south direction on Balkans, Black Sea axis, creating the RFC 11 Amber Corridor. The line will also increase freight transport capacity between Visegrad countries and will relieve rail traffic on the Baltic, Adriatic RFC running through the highly urbanized area of Upper Silesia.